Now, there is something that I noticed in this constituency in particular. The PNP are angry. They are not celebratory. They are angry. Can you imagine? They are angry to see their fellow Jamaicans exercise their God-given political right to walk peacefully in their community and put up posters if they wish. They are angry. They are angry at seeing people getting houses. And that is what tells you that they are not good. They are bad-minded. They have a bad way of thinking. But we are not bad-minded. And I observe it. I observe our supporters. We are jubilant. We say hello to them. Observe them. They are angry. Look in their eyes. They are angry. No, I don't blame the average supporter on the road. They are angry only because their leadership tell them to be angry. Their leadership is sending the wrong message to them. Well, let it be known that the message I send to my people is peace and love. We respect everybody and we embrace everybody. If you don't believe where I believe, you can believe what you believe, and we can coexist without shooting after one another. Those days are behind us, and those people who espouse that must be dealt with in the harshest way. So I make it plain that we're not frightened, we're not afraid of them, we come in peace, and we will walk through this community with love and respect.